Okay, this is a BC News video. We're here in Coquitlam. As you can see here, multiple buses getting stuck throughout the Lower Mainland. There's probably about 5. Merry Christmas, guys! Get buses everywhere stuck. No snow tires on the buses?
No township that looks after the roads either.
It's around Como Lake here, and as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses stuck here. Hey, bumper to bumper. Eastbound traffic, Lougheed Highway in Coquitlam. Barely crawling here. You probably got stuck in this since 4 o'clock today. So this is North Road in Lougheed. Traffic slowly starting to move now. So we got a power outage here in Coquitlam. Coquitlam Fire ends in traffic and hydro on scene. So this is what's causing the partial power outage here in Coquitlam. Wires down in front of us. So here's another bus that's stuck on Austin at Westview in Coquitlam. So this is a pickup truck that's lost control on Marino Way near Austin Avenue in Coquitlam. Snowplows are busy today.